Alright, IED. This video is going to be for Lesson 2.4 Fix It, the specific project on Troubleshooting and Assembly 2.4.1. And I've shown you the introduction video on the Trammel toy and what it looks like and how we're going to have to actually take it and put it together. If you're a virtual student or if you're absent on that day whenever I showed it to you for the kickoff meeting, here's how you're actually going to take this and put it into Onshape so that you can actually get started on it. So a team has already tried to develop a Trammel toy, but the Trammel toy is janky. It's not really functioning properly. It doesn't really do what it's supposed to do. The slides don't match up and all that good stuff. So if you look in my section on the Initiate Get Started, I broke this up into several sections. If you click on the Get Started one, and this is in the Project Lead the Way curriculum too, if you have it. I just added a couple of extra files for my class. You have inside that a Trammel Toy incorrect teacher inventory.zip file or inventor.zip file. I need you to click on that one and it's going to save in your Chromebook. So it'll download and it'll say that, hey, this has been saved inside your Chromebook. You actually might have to click the link twice, like I just did. And it's going to save inside your Google Drive. And from there, that's the file that you need. Go back into Onshape and go ahead and sign in. And you're going to need to create a new folder for this project so that it stays a little bit organized. And I'll show you what it does after it loads up here in just a little bit. My potato is working as hard as it can. All right, here we go. So I have a folder that's called projects. So I'm just going to put it inside the projects folder. I'm going to click on this. And I also made a folder that was called Trammel Toy because, well, I have a whole lot of different projects. So if I needed to put more than one document inside the Trammel Toy folder, that way it's a little bit better organized. And I'm already terrible at organization, so any little bit helps me. So I'm going to click on Trammel Toy, and you're going to create a new document. So go to the top and hit Create, and then go to Document, and then name it Trammel toy, and then whatever period that you are, either second or sixth period, or if you, even if you just wanted to write virtual, if you were a virtual student, that's fine too. Since I'm making this video for virtual students specifically, I'm going to just call that Trammel toy virtual. I'm going to hit OK, and it'll bring up a blank document. Now we're going to import this. So in the bottom left section, the bottom left of your screen, there's going to be a plus sign. I need you to click on that plus sign, and then we're going to click on the import button. I'm going to click on import, and it's going to bring up your files. It's going to look a little bit different since you're on a Chromebook. If you look on your Chromebook, there's going to be a top left button that says recent. I've got mine sorted by recent or date. So if you click on recent, it should be the very first file that you have up there, and it'll say IED 241 Trammel Toy incorrect. If you double click on that, it will load up the incorrect version, and it's going to say, hey, we're going to import this document. And don't click on anything because all of the parts are already in one document. So the only thing you need to click on is OK. And it will download, and it's going to take a hot minute to actually get everything up there. So don't think that you've done anything wrong. These tabs down at the bottom are going to start populating. So you're going to start seeing the parts come in down here. So you don't have to click on anything yet. Just go ahead and let it do its thing and wait and see. You can see it's taken mine quite a bit of time to actually do it too. So, you know, at this point it'd be a great time to get up and stretch or go get a drink of water or, you know, any of those things that are, oh, there it goes. All right, so look down here at the bottom. There's a whole lot of different parts that are going to be given to you. The Trammel Toy first file, and it's the first file for me, should load up and show you all of the different parts that you have, and uh, they should be roughly assembled together like this. If you look at it, it's going to be, see how they're all a little bit janky from each other? So you've got like janky, 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 janky. So these parts don't actually all match up together. And since these parts don't all match up together, it's going to be our job to take this model and to fix this model. So since you're virtual students, you're going to need this file to actually work with because you don't have the physical incorrect parts in real life. So you're going to have to use these instead in order to uh, continue doing this assignment. Okay, and that is how you get this file up there. And hopefully, I'll make some videos for some extra directions later on. But this is a good start, so you can actually see what's going on, and you can perform a structural and functional analysis on this object. So you guys have a great day, and stay tuned for some more videos. I'll talk to you later.